Boyle's law and Charles' law will discuss. What is Boyle's law? Volume of fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure at constant temperature. Means pressure is P, P is inversely proportional to volume. If we will increase the volume, pressure will be decreased. If we will decrease the volume, it will increase, inversely related. If pressure is increased, volume decrease, right? If pressure is decreased, volume increase. So in this way, when N is number of moles and T is temperature, they will constant. So when number of fixed mass of gas and at fixed and constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume of the gas. So PV product of this, PV is equal to a constant. That is why P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay, so you got three formula. Pressure is inversely proportional to 1 by volume, and then PV is equal to constant, and third formula P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. We will use this in numericals. Okay, मैंने यहाँ क्या बताया, 4 पैरामीटर्स हैं, pressure, volume, number of moles and temperature. So when we will relate this P and V, at that time N and T is constant. So pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Okay, so this is Boyle's law. And then when volume and temperature is related, they are directly proportional to each other. Okay, so at that time P and N are constant. Means pressure and number of moles are constant. That is fixed mass of the gas at fixed pressure. At that time, volume of the gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Okay, temperature of the gas at that moment. So V is directly proportional to T. So V is the volume at V1, volume at T1, V2 is volume at T2. So V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So these are the formula which we will use in the numerical. Okay, so first formula P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 for Boyle's law. Charles' law, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Okay, now we'll do the numerical. See here, pressure given, volume given, P2 given, V2 we have to find out. So P1 V1 by P2 V2, we will put the value and we'll get the answer that V2 is equal to 0. There's 0.625 liter or 625 centimeter cube. Now second, V1 is equal to 175 liter, V2 is unknown, P1 is given, P2 is given. So at that time, the same formula we will use, P1 V1 by P2 V2. We will put the value, okay, and we will get the answer. V2 is equal to this 218.25 liter. Clear to you? So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 is the formula for Boyle's law. Okay, so these are the numericals in which very simple way you have to write down. See, when I have written in liter, I write in liter because they will be cancelled out. So here